Hello guys, today we're going to be doing zucchini bread.
Here are all the ingredients to make this zucchini bread recipe. Take a pen and notebook to write them down just in case you need it.
These are the ingredients to make the zucchini bread: all-purpose flour, 2 zucchinis, baking soda, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract, white sugar, brown sugar, and olive oil. Also need 3 eggs, walnuts, and these are optional, but you can also add raisins and applesauce. We're gonna need 2 bowls, one for the dry ingredients and one for the wet ingredients. We're gonna do our zucchini, cut it like this for you don't taste the hard part. Wash it, and we're gonna need to dry it.
What do you need to cut the zucchini?
A shred cutter. This is the best that you can use if you want to make your zucchini bread.
Let's see how you do it. Let me look from here.
You don't want it to do this in the plate. You want it to be like this.
Hold it from the top better?
Yeah. Okay. We'll see you when everything's done.
Valentina, help your brother.
We're gonna take this out like this, and then we're gonna put it inside here. We have this shredded zucchini. Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients to the first one. You're gonna need 3 cups of flour, but in this case, we want to be a bit healthier. So we are going to use 1.5 cups of regular flour and 1.5 cups of almond flour. That's 1.5. Make sure you try to get a good amount. Now you're gonna add 1.5 of almond flour, if you have almond flour. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. So this is 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and we're gonna add it. We are going to add 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna add nutmeg. We're gonna add half a teaspoon. We're gonna put half cup of raisins. Yeah, but sometimes raisins stick together. We're gonna have half a cup of walnuts.
And what are you gonna do with those walnuts, Valentina?
We are going to cut them into very small pieces.
Some of them, they already come chopped, but these ones come whole.
Here's a tip. You can add some flour, and now the flour will help it, in the mixture, not to go all the way to the bottom, and instead stay in all the places in the bread.
Just a little bit, Valentina. Just for the walnuts to be covered.
Meanwhile, my mom is making a soup for dinner in the Instant Pot.
Yes, I'm making lentils soup. Okay, Vale, move the walnut to the side, and then we will use the line.
We have our dry bowl here of all the dry ingredients, and we're gonna mix it up. It smells delicious already. Now we're gonna put the zucchini in the wet bowl, in the bowl for the wet ingredients. I'm gonna add the sliced zucchini into the wet ingredients bowl. We're gonna have the 3 eggs And we're gonna mix them. Now we're gonna put them in the wet bowl. I'm gonna add 1 cup of unsweetened applesauce to the mixture of the wet bowl. Now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of olive oil or whatever oil you guys prefer, but in this case it's olive oil. We're gonna put my favorite part, vanilla extra. This is what you make to make vanilla ice cream. Now I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of it. 1, 2,
And no more.
and 3. Comes the sweet part. First, we're gonna put 1/2 cup of white sugar. Okay. And 1 cup of brown sugar.
Maybe you need a spoon, Sandy.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need a spoon. Alright, if it doesn't work, you're gonna need like a spoon. Like chocolate. Brown sugar is really different. Here's a trick. When you have all your brown sugar, you're gonna need to like do this, and then you're gonna see really how much it is.
Okay, that's it, Sandy. That's enough.
That should be enough. Now we're gonna take this hand mixer and
Mix all the ingredients
Yeah.
very well. We want that bread to be extra delicious.
yeah. And remember, this is for 2 breads, not. But we're gonna make it. We're making 2 breads. If you want only 1, you're gonna only do 1/2 of this. Now we're gonna mix the dry bowl ingredients with the wet bowl ingredients.
Mix it well, please. Mix, mix, mix.
Okay, now we're gonna put these walnuts in. You should put a little bit of flour to make it not sink in the bottom. We're gonna do it like this, and then we're gonna stir it like not so fast. Spatulas are the best to do it, but we're not gonna use the spatula. Now I'm gonna use the olive oil spray to spray on the bowls to put in the oven.
Around, Nico, around. Not so close to the dish. Around. That way the mix doesn't stick to the side.
Now I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on each bowl. If the olive oil doesn't stick, we're gonna put a little bit of this and then put like our hand and then put it like here.
Olive oil.
Yeah. It's really harder than you think.
Okay, now the other container. That way it doesn't stick to the side and comes out fast.
And we're gonna put the oven to 350 Fahrenheit and put it for 45 minutes. See when it's good. Now we're gonna put the zucchini mix in the bowls. We are gonna do it all the way to like right here.
And you can clean paper towel and whatever comes out.
Now we're gonna put this zucchini into this bowl. Now it's ready to go. Oven. We made 2 more batch because we had too many zucchini. And if we don't eat it all today, we can put it in the freezer or we can give some my work. It is really hot. It's good. My mom is gonna put it in the oven.
We end up with 4 zucchini breads, and they are in all kind of container shapes. We will come back in 45 minutes to an hour to make the toothpick test to see if they're ready or not. If the toothpick is clean, it means it's ready. If not, they will need another 5 or 10 more minutes. What are you doing, Santi?
Well, I'm cleaning this car when we wait for the zucchini bread.
You're higher. Good job. I'm gonna help you with the middle.
The soap is gonna dry.
Nico, can you please do it on the car?
Well, then you can do it. Let's move this to the other side.
The Nicolas technique to wash the car.
Like I have one sprayer.
No, we don't have that. Just keep doing with the rag. You're doing a great job. After 45 minutes and washing the car, we're gonna do the toothpick test. If it comes out kind of clean, it's done, it's ready, it's almost ready. I think it needs 5 more minutes.
This one is ready.
Out.
And this one maybe more minutes. These two.
Okay, please take it out, the one that is ready.
Okay.
Yummy! It smells so delicious. I thought it would smell like zucchini, but it doesn't even smell like vegetable at all.
What does it smell like?
Like vanilla bread, like I can't tell because it's so good. We cut it.
This side.
Looks like it came out really easy.
And hold it with a towel, that way you don't burn. Okay. All the way around, and it's ready to be served.
So you take it out of the oven, let it set for like 10 minutes because it's very hot. Then you try to take it out, it will be very moist.
This one broke on us, but the other ones.
This zucchini got out pretty good. And it tastes good. I like how it tastes nothing like actual zucchini. I don't really taste the walnuts.
Maybe next time we can add a little bit more.
Yeah. It's moist and it tastes like the top of a pie in the bottom, but not inside the pie. The whole thing tastes like that. It tastes like super yummy. Tastes nothing like zucchini. Look, even if I get a piece of zucchini and eat it.
You want me to make it again?
Yeah. Next time we should put maybe some chocolates. Hey guys, I hope you liked our zucchini bread. We'll see you in the next video.